this DIY, I've got this piece of wood frame here. I'm using these plain bits of wood here. It's a bit rough around the edges. I've sanded those down. I've painted it this lovely white chalk colour. Both of them put together, and I've attached them together with these straps along the back with a couple of screws. And then what I'm going to do is I've got all these selections of felt flowers that I've made. So I've got some flat roses, I've got some puffy flowers, I've got some larger roses, some spiky daisies, and some kind of pansy / anemone styles. And these ones here with the little heart petals. I'll drop the links in the description box below to my other videos on how I've made different felt flowers if you wish to make some of these. But this video here will just walk through a time-lapse video of sticking them on and creating them into the heart shape. You'll also be able to find my social media links in the description box below. From here you can purchase any of these felt hearts if you would wish, but you can also send across any questions you've got on makes, any examples of the ones you've done. That'd be fab to see as well. If you're enjoying this video, please do give it a massive thumbs up, and if you're not already, do consider subscribing to be one of the first to know when I upload a new crafty inspiration video.